Hi, this is Peter with Accurate Infrared. I want to talk to you about a different application for thermal imaging that's diagnosing or troubleshooting plumbing problems. I worked on a home that was new construction that had a hot water recirc system to bring instant hot water to all the faucets throughout the house. And upon completion of the construction, the plumber found that there was cold water somehow bleeding into this sealed hot system. They tried for many days to diagnose this problem, hoping it was not crossed copper in the rough end. They could have crossed a hot and cold line, but nobody wanted to tear into the walls, so spent a lot of time trying to diagnose. They replaced cartridges in the shower valves that could, if they were faulty, bleed cold into the hot system. They replaced check valves throughout the house, throughout the system. And none of these solved the problem. Two other plumbing contractors came in and nobody was able to solve the issue. So the homeowner lived with it for quite some time. The hot water system worked, but did not get hot. It just got warm as there was cold bleeding into the system. So thermal imaging to the rescue. I brought my thermal camera and put it on a tripod and took a movie of the hot water recirc system up in the attic. When the movie was running, I ran downstairs and turned on the hot water to put a demand on the recirc system. And when I played this back, I was able to see very quickly the problem, which was a faulty check valve that had been replaced and okayed by 3 different plumbing contractors. It's very difficult to put your hands on it and feel the cold bleeding through and see where the problem is. But visually through the movie, it really was easy to tell. Let me go through a couple of components on here and show you what you're looking at in the system. We've got the cold water comes in here, and this is the direction of the recirc line. And here is the check valve in question. Now, if the system was working properly, water would be stopped at this check valve, and the cold water would not be able to push through that line and would go straight into the cold intake on the hot water heater. Now here's the actual movie, and I'm going to run it one time at normal speed, and then I'll show it 3 or 4 times at 8 times the speed, and you'll see how obvious it is that this check valve is not working. And here it is at 8 times speed. Thanks for watching. Feel free to call us anytime or visit our website at accurateir.com.